Introducing the challenger. From Finland, he is the European champion, the Hammer. And his opponent, from Mesa, Arizona, he is the WWE World Heavyweight Champion, the Scientist, Coyote.
In a few seconds, the wait is over, and we will finally get this match underway. And there's the bell. This match has got the hair on the back of my neck standing up, Michael. This is going to be great.
So much on the line here tonight. Pride, respect, glory, and of course the coveted championship.
What's your take on Coyote tonight?
You're talking about someone who has all the talent necessary to become one of the all-time greats. It's going to take a lot to change the tide of this one. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody. You can bet every superstar on the roster is crowded around the monitors in the back to see which one of these guys comes out victorious.
Oh, man. Targeting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the power out of you.
This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages and in over 110 countries.
Absolutely amazing. The world is watching, and I guarantee you they're going to love it. Oh, out of nowhere.
To avoid that. The champion is in serious jeopardy here tonight. I don't think I've ever seen a more determined challenger. He's simply reminding him that he's here.
Great move. I'm not sure I can watch this. Man, that one rocked him.
There we go again.
Yep. There we go again. And again. And again.
Making it look easy.
Well, we're on the move here.
5. Now back to the ring. After a move like that, he's going to need a chiropractor in his near future.
Here's the cover. 1. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Here we go. Oh, Coyote, there it is.
Coyote for the win. Let's see if it's enough.
And into the cover.
1, 2.
Every now and then, you'll see a competitor pick up a lucky win, but that's nearly impossible in a tournament format. Only the absolute cream of the crop go on to the finals. Not today, too fast.
The range of emotions here is startling. There's almost an unknowing of what to expect.
I know. I mean, I got goosebumps. This match is going to be so unpredictable. I just can't wait. Look out what's going on here. Look out.
4, 5. Quick thinking to avoid that.
He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar.
A superplex. The shoulders are down.
1, 2.
Wearing down the opposition here.
This guy's just too strong.
He's really taking over this match now.
Uh-oh.
I wouldn't be surprised if that kneecap was knocked out of position.
Oh, out of nowhere. Are we going to see it?
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Oh, Coyote, there it is.
Coyote for the win. Let's see if it's enough. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
Gosh, the same move over and over. This is relentless.
I am getting tired of watching this. Do something different.
4.
Oh, watch out. After a shot like that, you're going to be walking funny, talking funny. Heck, you'll probably be seeing funny.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
Great match here, but if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action.
I go to WWE.com all the time to catch up on the Divas. Oh, what a slam! Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world of hurt.
Tournaments like this truly are a marathon. You have to be careful not to exhaust yourself in the early rounds. Otherwise, you'll be watching the finals on a monitor in the back.
Not today, too fast. Uh-oh, what are we going to see here? Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
We've seen this before. Spinebuster.
Ooh-wee. He'll never be the same after that.
Will this be enough?
Hang on.
2. These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here in WWE.
Some of the best superstars that WWE have to offer.
Great move.
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
championship on the line.
Oh, you're right about that. Let's get this thing going. Who's going to be the champion?
He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while.
Whoa! And that was a costly misstep. Oh, this belt, that's it. He's done. Here's the cover. 1, 2.
Every now, there's no coming back from that. We got a cover. 1, 2. If you asked me at the beginning of the night, I'd tell you that there was no way this title reign was coming to an end. But now, I'm not so sure. The challenger just refuses to be denied here tonight.
Oh, he's in trouble now.
Watch it, watch it. Nobody comes back from this. He may get the 3 count right there.
Gonna be close.
With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will get everything they have to win here tonight.
Oh, that goes without saying, Cole. The WWE Championship, it's what it's all about here in the WWE. Every superstar wants to be the champion, and tonight's match is no exception.
Talk about a target. The largest bullseye is always on someone's back.
Yeah, that's bad. All these power moves tonight are making bigger and bigger impacts.
We might be seeing the beginning of the end. It's all academic from here.
Oh, man, there's the finisher. This could be it.
Will he be victorious?
I think this is it.
2. This is exactly how he drew this one up.
He sees it.
Look at the eyes. When this guy's on, look out. Look at this. Here he comes. He's not done yet. Oh, no, he's here to fight. We're looking at complete domination here. Target in the arm now. To avoid that. We've seen this before. The super kick, this one is in the books.
You're right, this one's as good as over after that super kick. 1, 2, 3. And he keeps it, folks.